change the world to be a better place.
Join me with this incredible journey with the Success Factory and SkillX.
We need the people to support us, to help us create what we want to create.
I'm here to change life.
A lot of challenges are gonna wait for you.
It's not only about you, but it's about the people that you can inspire.
This is a chance in your life to become more.
Cryptocurrency is the future.
More you learn, more you earn.
It's just something that you need to experience. It's an amazing feeling to be in the room. It's all for you.